Hello everyone. Saan ba nag-a-apply ng accreditation ang isang aspiring pollution control officer? Sa pag-apply po ng accreditation, gumagamit tayo ng online PCO application system at yan po ang nakikita nyo sa ating screen. So meron pong online application system for accreditation of pollution control officer at dito po yan sa ating pco.emb.gov.ph. So, ang gagawin mo lang, mag-create ka dito ng account. So, click mo lang tong sign up button at mag-register ka dito ng account. So, ang ini-encourage sa atin, gumamit ng personal email. So, for example, juancruz@gmail.com. And then, ang ating desired password. After natin ilagay yung ating email and desired password, tick I agree to the terms, and then click this button, register. Once na maklik mo yung button na register, magpapadala yan dito ng notification sa inyong email at meron ka doong marireceive na message galing dito sa system na kailangan mo siyang ma-activate. So once na maklik mo yung important link doon sa email na sinend sa'yo ng system, activated na yung email mo, magagamit mo na yan pag login. So you can use the email and password registered in the system para makapag-login dito sa online PCO application system. So gagamitin mo lamang ang iyong email para sa pag-apply ng accreditation. So halimbawa kung ano yung email na nakarehistro, gagamitin mo kasama yung password. And then that's it. Makakapag-login ka na dito sa online PCO application system. So dito tayo talaga sasubmit ng ating mga requirements. So all we have to do is first complete your profile. May mga personal information dito na fill upan, lalong-lalo yung college educational attainment, work experience, and then yung sa PCO training. So dito ka ngayon nagko-complete ng iyong profile and then pupunta ka dito sa application button para naman makapag-fill up ng online application form. So click mo lang itong new application and then tick mo lang itong no sa tanong na do you have existing certificate of accreditation? Just select no, ibig sabihin first time mo mag-apply ng accreditation, fill upan mo itong form like anong region, then name of establishment, kung may website, kung wala, just indicate not applicable or NA. And then dito, nature of business. Halimbawa, restaurant ang aking establishment. Select mo lang yung restaurant. And then establishment category. Let's say category A, establishment. Telephone number, kung meron. And then PCO employment status. Select mo lang yung full-time, then current position. So for example, ikaw ang manager ng restaurant at number of years in current position, halimbawa 7 years. And then dito mag-upload ka ng basic requirements duly signed appointment or designation of the PCO, certificate of employment from the employer. So current yan na certificate of employment, and then notarized affidavit of joint undertaking of the PCO and the managing it. So yung tatlong basic requirements na to, i-upload mo lang dito sa application form and then click submit application. So once na masubmit mo yung application, subject na yan for evaluation, for screening, evaluation. Once acceptable yung mga requirements, complete, bibigyan ka ng order of payment at pwede mong nang bayaran ang application fee na 500 pesos. Bayaran mo ito through Land Bank online, link-based portal at yung electronic receipt of payment, i-upload mo ulit dito sa system. So, ganun lang ang pag-apply ng PCO accreditation dito sa pco.emb.gov.ph. So, yung tanong na saan ba mag-a-apply ng PCO accreditation, dito po sa online PCO application system through pco.emb.gov.ph. Ito ay online services ng DENR Environmental Management Bureau. You can try na mag-create dito ng account, mag-submit ng mga requirements. At once approve yung ating application, dahil nabayaran na yung ating application fee, dyan nyo na rin madadownload ang ating Certificate of Accreditation. So for example, if your application has been approved by the regional director, punta ka lang dito sa iyong account, click mo lang itong all, and then you will see the approve application. So, paano mo ngayon madadownload yung Certificate of Accreditation? So, click mo lang tong action and then print. Diyan ngayon, madadownload nyo ang iyong approved Certificate of Accreditation. So, yun lamang. I hope may natutunan kayo dyan at kung meron kayong mga tanong, paglilinaw, you can just type it below. Thank you very much everyone for time listening. God bless us all.